Today I'm going to walk you through how to reset your Samsung TV remote in just 2 simple ways. These methods are quick, easy, and very simple, so let's get started. Grab your remote, and let's dive right in. First up, Method 1, which works for most general Samsung TV remotes. This method is great for those standard remotes that come with many Samsung TVs. Here's what you need to do. First, take the batteries out of the remote. This step is crucial as it ensures that the remote is completely powered down. Then press and hold the power button on the remote for 5 to 6 seconds. This helps to discharge any residual power in the remote. Next, press and hold the source button for another 5 to 6 seconds. This step is important to reset the internal settings of the remote. After that, press all the buttons on the remote randomly. This might seem odd, but it helps to ensure that any stuck buttons are released. Finally, put the batteries back in, and you're done. Your remote should now be reset and ready to use. Now for Method 2, which is for other Samsung Smart TV remotes. This method is even simpler and works specifically for the smart remotes that come with newer Samsung TVs. This one's super simple. All you need to do is hold down the back button and the play-pause button on the remote while pointing it at your TV. Keep holding them down for about 5 seconds, and you'll see a pairing remote message pop up on the right side of your Samsung Smart TV. This indicates that the remote is successfully paired with your TV. And that's it. Your smart remote should now be reset and functioning properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.